Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do an unboxing of my Christmas crate. This is a subscription that comes once a month and it's all things Christmas and it's been quite fun. I've gotten it for the last few months. I don't know if this is going to be my last one or not. I haven't quite decided, but this says, "Hi Christmas lover, Thanksgiving is a day of giving thanks for the blessing of the harvest and the preceding year. Let's start spreading some Christmas cheer." So let's see. It's always nicely wrapped and fun to open. Ooh, there's some peppermint bark. That looks delicious. This says, "Peppermint bark by Annie Bees. Relying solely on the candy cane to bring forth peppermint flavor, the result is a delicious chocolate peppermint combination that is truly artisan." And you can find it at anniebees.com. So that looks yummy. And ooh, here's some soap, it says. "Merry Christmas Soap by Punch Studio, a triple milled vegetable-based luxury soap bar made from the finest ingredients, softly scented with the fragrance of orange and clove." And you can find this at punchstudio.com. It's very pretty. Ooh, and it smells very nicely. That smells really, really good. That's really nice. I like that a lot. And it says Merry Christmas. It's pretty packaging. Then it looks like we have some holiday cards. It says, "Have a cozy Christmas," and I love the buffalo plaid. "Warmest wishes for a wonderful holiday and a very happy new year" by C.R. Gibson. And Holiday Tartan Christmas Card List Book. Oh, that must be this. Oh, cute. "Life Simplified. Now you can keep track of your cards you send and receive every holiday season." Very nice. It's like an address book. And then the cards. "When you want the best stationery, trust C.R. Gibson, synonymous with quality for more than 140 years. And then it looks like there's also a little package of Kleenex. "Baby, It's Cold Outside." That's from Sniff the Original. So very cute. I like that a lot. I will use everything. I don't know if I'll use this only because I have one, but maybe I'll gift this to someone. It's very nice. I love the print. But these I can give to the people at work. This is lovely, and that peppermint bark looks amazing. So yeah, very fun. So this is, again, the Christmas crate. Check it out. Bye-bye.